Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Hello geniuses. Well, after the last video on algebraic equations, the reduction method, I thought that I will put a few videos just to, not a few videos, but at least 1 or 2 videos on seeing how to practice them. Right, so I will try to cover about 6 equations here, and I will then move on to the next video and I will try to do 6 equations in the other one. Now, the point of main discussion is, if you remember in reduction, the idea is to isolate the variable. In this case, I use the variable x here, right? So the idea is to isolate the variable and do whatever action in that process, whatever action I take on one side, I also take on the other side of the equation, right? So let's start with this one. So as you see, 13 plus x equals 25, right? Now I need to get rid of this 13. Now this 13 is a plus number here. So I do 13 minus 13 plus x equals 25 minus 13, right? So the same action which I took here, I also took here. 13 minus 13 will be 0, so x will be left on this side, and 25 minus 13 is 12. So my answer is x equals 12. Okay, let's look at this example. Now if you remember in this one, we remember now what is the opposite action of divide. We discussed in the video yesterday, it's multiply. So what I will do x divided by 5, again times 5 equals 14 times 5. Yeah, next video onwards, let's get rid of x and use some other variable so that multiply and x look different, right? So now it will be x divided by 5 times 5 divided by 5 times 5 will be 1, so we will get rid of this here. Yeah, and 14 times 5 is 70, so that's 1. Yeah, now as you remember in case of multiply, so if there is a number and a variable written like this, it means they're being multiplied together. Okay, so 3 times a is 3a, right? So now we know that this is a times, right? So what do? What is the opposite action of times? It's divide. So then we take the same action because we have to isolate this a, which means we have to get rid of this 3. So I will divide both sides with this number. You see, both sides divided by the same number, 3. So this 3 will cancel this 3 and this 3 will divide this and it will be 7. So a equals 7. Now also how you can verify, if you put this 7 here, so 3 times 7 will be 21. So both sides are balanced, which means our answer is good. Let's move on to the next one. Now in this one, if you remember, what did I say? That if your variable is the divisor, you can just simply switch these, right? So it will be 72 divided by 12 equals x. This will become 6 equals x. Okay, so with that, let's move on to a few more examples. Now, as you can see, till now we were doing very simple ones. I just put 2 slightly tricky ones where we will have to take a few steps to isolate the variable, right? So as you see, 3x plus 4 equals 13. Okay, so first let's get rid of this 4. Now it's a plus 4. What is the opposite action? Minus. So I will do minus 4 on both sides to get rid of this 4, right? So it will be 3x plus 4 minus 4 equals 13 minus 4. Yeah, this action on both sides. So this 4 minus 4 will be 0, so 3x will be left, and 13 minus 4 will be 9. Now I need to get rid of this 3, so I divide both sides by 3. Yeah, so this 3 will cancel this 3 and this 3 will make this 9 a 3. So my final answer will be x equals 3. Okay, you see, so we took 2 steps in one equation. First we got rid of this 4 and then we got rid of this 3. Let's do the same on this side. Why don't you pause the video and try it yourself? Well, I'm sure you got the answer, but let's do it together. So first let me get rid of this 12. So to get rid of this 12, I will do 12 minus 12 plus 2x equals 24 minus 12. Yeah, I took this minus 12 on both sides, whatever action I have to do on both sides, never on one. Okay, so what that means is this will become a 0, so there will be 2x left on this side, and 24 minus 12 is 12. Okay, now I need to get rid of this 2, so just like here I will divide both sides with the number that is with the variable. So this 2 will cancel this 2 and this will make it a 6. So my final answer will be x equals 6. Easy, right?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.